Good afternoon, friends. This is Kevin coming to you from the Alley Gardens Public Library. What was the first book you read where you saw yourself reflected, and how did it make you feel? It would definitely be Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. Charlie Bucket is the main protagonist, and I think growing up poor definitely made him a more kind and generous person. Getting the golden ticket and being able to have access to hang out with Willy Wonka, but he always remembered where he came from. It kind of humbled him, and those are some characteristics that I felt that were important in my personal development. And plus, I love chocolate. What makes the San Diego Public Library so awesome? Not only does it give me a place to work, but it gives me great joy into helping connect people from all walks of life to the wealth of information that we have at the library, whether in person or over the web.